Looking for the best dog whistles? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 dog whistles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Acme Shepherd Mouth Whistle, Nickel Silver. No hands are required to use this whistle, as it fits in the mouth. You can use your tongue to produce a variety of pitches. Trusted style of whistle used by dog trainers for many years. All metal design for durability. It can create multiple pitches for different breeds. Some users find it too complicated. At number 2. Michael Josh 2 pieces outdoor Loudest emergency survival whistles. These 2 whistles stand out for their small design, which makes them easy to tuck into your pocket. Durable all-metal construction. Works for dog training and other purposes. Includes 2 lanyards and keyring clips. 2 multi-purpose, all-metal whistles that come with user-friendly accessories. Not as loud as some consumers expected, but sound is just right for many training purposes. At number 1. SportDOG Brand Competition Mega Whistle. Produces a loud sound that dogs respond to, yet isn't so noisy that it bothers the user's ears. Nice range. Great for training, hunting, competing, and more. Durable construction. A well-made whistle that emits decent sound appropriate for training and sporting purposes. You have to blow fairly hard for maximum sound. A few customers report faulty whistles that didn't work properly. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.